हाय फ्रेंड्स, फैज दिस साइड। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि ग्रुप बाय कॉन्सेप्ट के बारे में यूजिंग जावा 8। सपोज आई हैव क्रिएटेड ए क्लास यूजर इन्फो और मैं ग्रुप बाय लगाऊंगा आईडी पे यूजिंग जावा 8। तो आप एक बार देख लें इस चीज़ को कैसे मैं लगा रहा हूँ। मैं आईडी बेस पे ग्रुप बाय लगाऊंगा तो रिटर्न में मुझे मैप मिलेगी और मैप के अंदर आईडी इज एन इंटीजर list of user info. Okay, I'm just returning as a map. Okay, I'm just putting all the list here. What I have already set here, all the data. You can see the data. I'm just putting as a random data, but the value is like that. ID is like that. User info dot stream. User info dot stream dot collect dot collectors dot to map concept is there. So I'm just putting as a map is here to map. Okay, what I'm passing is like my key is ID, then get ID, comma, what is my value? S, comma, S. I'm just putting like that, and here I'm just putting as this. One moment. Here I am getting some list of user info. Okay, I'm just grouping this self, right? Collectors dot group by function is here. Okay, so let me check. Change to group by concurrent. Okay, which one is a group by? I'm just not putting as a map on this. Okay, it will work here. I'm just connecting here is. You can see I'm just printing as a map. While printing map, it will work. You can see inside the value. Just copy it and open a notepad. Let's open this. If something happen inside, then open subline. Yep, you can see it here. You can see. Okay, notepad is opened here. Plugins, convert plugins, format as a JSON. No, JSON is not able to. Format JSON. Okay, let's see. One is here. All the one data is mapped into the this ID. You can see all the one user. Okay, and the user 2 is here. All the two users and all the four user and third user accordingly. Okay, so hope you understand for the grouping concept. Another thing is I wanna use group by, like you can just pass. If you want to pass the group by name, then you can pass here. If you want to pass to group by concept, so I'm just sharing you how to do that. If you wanna pass to group by, then you have to use like this. then we need to change it to constraint composite map. Okay, you can see I am just passing here. Here is a method like this. Okay, you can create it like this, and if you wanna print here composite map, so you can print it, and once you print, the data will looks like this. Second one, first one is a first group by, and the second one is a second group by, like name और number 4 के behalf पे group by बना है. So you can see if you wanna add multiple, so like 3 group by and 4 group by, so you can pass here also. Suppose user info dot get address. Okay, you can pass 3 or 4, then that will work accordingly for 3 combination group by and the 4 combination group by. So hope you guys group by concept is clear on the Java end. Thank you.